Making daily income with Coinbase. Is it possible to make $100 daily using Coinbase? The world is going digital, even in the methods of payment. Everyone is talking about digital coins, and they are making the rounds. However, there are a lot of videos and content out there on the internet that is presenting misinformation, and people are falling for it. In this video, we will be discussing all you need to make cryptocurrency trading a new source of passive income. Hi there, you are welcome again to today's financial freedom-based edition from our channel. I remain your humble host, Soapy, and as is my norm, I always strive to present you with all you need to be financially free. All our videos are free and aimed at optimizing your chances of being financially successful in the near future. Have you visited our channel today? If yes, don't you feel you are being left out if you have not subscribed? Subscribe to our channel, and have unlimited access to related content that could help change your life. Our Facebook community expands by the minute, and we want you to be part of it. Simply join our page on Facebook, and you will always get first-hand information on everything that concerns our channel. We would also like you to like and share this video and use the comment box below to air your thoughts, views, and comments. Let's get down to business. In this context, we will be discussing 3 different sections. First, we will discuss what Coinbase is and how the app works, then we will analyze ways to make money, and the final section will be my final thoughts and investments. I would suggest you make on Coinbase. First, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. The exchange has a user-friendly mobile app and website, which makes it suitable for use anywhere and anytime. It was founded in 2012, and there are a lot of coins on the app to buy, trade, and sell. The major advantage of Coinbase is that they only collect a decent and reasonable charge compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Opening a Coinbase account is pretty easy, just enter your name, your email, and your password. There will also be a 2-step verification process, code and ID information. Just like you will get verified when opening a regular bank account, you can always be confident that your information is kept private, and only for verification purposes, according to the Know Your Consumer (KYC) laws. Somewhere on Coinbase, you can set up a recurring buy and make the first free $5. No other cryptocurrency exchange gives that. The next tab we will be discussing is the Coinbase Reward tab. In this tab, there are alternative ways to make more returns on your investments. You can stake your crypto, which is just similar to a crypto savings account, and you can be earning interest in what you may have kept in your savings. Well, the USDT is the most preferable of all the coins since it is considered a stable coin. They also give some of the best interest rates available. There is also a suggestion I would want to make. Have you heard of Coinbase Earn? On this site, you will be able to get beginner lessons on cryptocurrencies and how they work. Here is the catch: simply take your time and watch free videos on coinbase.com/earn and earn points on the Learn Base program. When you do so, you get rewarded with a few cryptos. Superb, right? Now, you can take the recurring buys, take the lessons, make cryptocurrency savings, gain interests, and you can start making money already. If you know what you are doing, you can always make more money. However, if you do not know what you are doing or are new to crypto trading and Coinbase as a whole, do not worry, I guess that is why I am here. Let me make something clear before we continue: the aim is to make money daily on Coinbase. The beautiful thing is you may make more than you planned, maybe $500, $300, or $100 in one day. But on the flip side, it is possible to lose a few dollars because of the volatility of the market. It all depends on how well your portfolio is diversified and how the market is doing. Taking advantage of all the incentives on Coinbase may not make you so much money, but it will help you make a few bucks and learn more about the market. How do you make consistent income off your investment? First things first, you need to know how investments work. You can make income off your investments, but you must have an initial investment to start with. I do not recommend taking loans to make investments because things can go from good to bad real quick in the crypto world. To make income, you may need an initial amount of income, so learn to pick up side hustles and things that can generate the initial investment you will need to start making more income daily. Make good budget decisions and save more than you spend. That way, you can raise a significant amount of money to start your investment. What exactly is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a simple strategy where an investor invests a particular amount of money in small increments over a specific time frame instead of all at once. The main goal of dollar cost averaging is to take good advantage of the downturns in the market without having to risk or lose too much in the process at any given time. DCA has been made and designed to offset the negative effects on investments caused by market volatility in the short term. So if you have a small amount of money, you might want to start making investments little by little. So making good money daily can start by making recurring purchases. It is easy to find on the site's interface. There are coins that may be deemed gambling. However, to make consistent returns, you might need to start looking at some real coins. Let us take Bitcoin, for example. It is one of the leading coins in the world today. In 1 year, there have been over 600% returns on investments. It has hit its all-time highs, ATH, many times, so people feel like it may be too late to invest in those kinds of coins. That is not the case. It is never too late to invest in those kinds of coins. Still using Bitcoin as an example, whenever it hits a new ATH, people keep saying it is now too late to invest. Don't be one of those people. Crypto is the way to financial success. The main question is, how do you make daily income on Coinbase? All you have to do is invest your money in crypto and hold on to dear life. You do not need to worry about your money after making the investments. Put in the money and be patient. It will grow over time, and you will realize that you have been making a consistent amount of money every day. There are some days it may seem like things are not going according to plan, but that should not deter you from holding on and making sure you persevere till you make those returns. Another way to make money daily in cryptocurrency may be to diversify your crypto portfolio, just like you do for conventional stock market investments. What are my final thoughts? When you diversify, there are chances that one of the coins may move in the opposite direction to the overall stock market. This simply means that you can mitigate general losses just by diversifying your portfolio. This is not a piece of financial advice, but I can recommend a few coins for you to add to your watch list. Bitcoin remains top of the food chain, at least for now. We can also consider Chainlink, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. If you want to do research on crypto before investing, try the Cosmos white paper. It will help you to understand who is behind the coin, what they are doing, and the value they may bring to society. That way, you will be able to make good choices. Start building a solid portfolio in the cryptocurrency industry slowly. You do not need to invest everything all at once. I hope that you will become a great investor in the future. Just like stock market investments, cryptocurrency investments may also require you to be patient and ready to learn. You do not need any type of paid mentorship or tutorial if you cannot afford one. You can start by doing your own research and watching informative videos online. Over time, investment in crypto can always compound and give you returns in the end. In conclusion, crypto is the future. If you have any comments or thoughts, you can drop them in the comment box below. Also, do not forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next investment video. Always stay very motivated.